Hi, I'm Sophia Alo from Aló Jewelers in Marathon, Florida. Welcome to our store. We've been in business since 1986 with my husband, Orlando, and myself. We specialize in custom orders and jewelry repair. We also do pins for watches and watch batteries. Sometimes we can service them while you wait. It's depending on how busy we are. We look forward to having you in our store. We deal with a lot of different gems. Some of them very rare. They're all hand-picked by myself. I do a lot of custom work, carving by wax, and my husband does the setting. Here I have a few items that I've done that I'd like to show you. I like to work with marine life because we're in the Florida Keys. Everybody likes nautical jewelry. This piece I made totally by hand, by wax. Then I have an outside source that does the wax mold for me. Every day is different.
That's right.
Every day is a challenging day. I can't imagine doing anything else. I love it, and I want to continue doing it.